My name's Kelly. I run a business called Jungle Pots and I source indoor tropical plants. I started Jungle Pots in 2018. I sell my plants online. I have a retail store and I do a lot of corporate gifting. I've done 3 mentoring sessions through the Southern Business Mentoring Program. I've seen Martin, Joanna and Fiona. They were all incredibly helpful in different areas of my business with some general advice and some really practical steps which really impacted my business. My first session was in June last year. I went and saw Martin. I was a bit daunted. I was at a point in my business where I thought I need to make some big decisions. COVID had hit and the retail space was not doing as well. And I needed some advice on whether I should go all in or whether I should actually just scale it back. And he gave me some awesome clarification around steps I could do. From there, it's really had a big turnaround. I got so much value from these one-on-one sessions. They were just Zoom sessions, didn't even leave my house. They were so incredible. Each mentor helped me to feel relaxed and they talked through the ins and outs of my business that I really couldn't speak to, say, my husband or my family about because they didn't have the same perspective. I think they've got some incredible advisors who have such amazing skills in so many different areas and I've definitely benefited from speaking with them. For anybody thinking about seeking some mentoring, it was just really invaluable. I can't speak highly enough of the help that they gave me.